The uppercase H, M and L commands help you to move to the top, middle or bottom of the visible window. So let me press uppercase H, it moves to the top or home line. Uppercase L moves to the last line. Uppercase M should move to the middle. Let me show these examples again in another visible window. So let me just change the visible window contents. So if I press uppercase H, it should move to the top of the visible window. So uppercase H, uppercase M should move to the middle, and uppercase L should move to the last line. You can scroll up and down using these commands. Control D scrolls half a page down. So this is roughly the half page point. So pressing Control D should move this to the top of the visible window. Control D moves half a page down. Control U should move half a page up. So Control U. To move up and down based on a full page, you can use Control F or Control B. So when I press Control F, this should be on the top of the visible window. Control F and Control B should move backwards by a page. One thing to note is this scrolling does not depend on where the cursor is. So whether the cursor is here or here or here, it will behave the same. So cursor is here and I am using Control D. It should still use this as the halfway point. Control D. Let me go back. Control U. Cursor is here and I use Control D. Till this was used as the halfway point. You can use Control E and Control Y to scroll down or up by just a line. So I'll press Control E multiple times. You can see it is scrolling down by a line. If I use Control Y, it will scroll up by a line. These commands will reposition the current line to the middle, top or bottom of the visible window. So if I press ZZ, this line will move to the middle of the visible window. If I use ZT, this will move to the top of the visible window. And if I use ZB, it will move this line to the bottom of the visible window. If you want to always show some context around the current line, you can use the scroll off setting.